Hello everyone and welcome to our last activity in this unit, activity 4. In this activity, we will answer the question how to modify the data source or how to change the data source. You may want to include or exclude a data series of the original data table, which we call it the data source. So this is basically the main purpose of this activity. So let's click inside this link and see what's more in there. So by the end of this activity, the students will be able to answer the question how to modify the data source of a chart. Look at this table here. This table, we used it to build our chart. Maybe you added one more column, let's say 2011 column, or you added one row if you want to, in this case, one seller or one representative, and you want to include him, you want to reflect him on the chart. So in order to do that, you need to open the Select Data Source dialog box, which we're going to see right now inside. So let me pull up my Excel sheet in here, and as you notice, this is the table that we used originally to build our chart. However, the chart represents the old table. In this case here, we added one more column to represent the sales in region 4, which is not reflected on the chart yet. And as you may notice here, the chart tools, and there is no special button to update the chart type, the chart here. So here is the design tab, the layout. There is no such a button that called update chart. So let's go back there. The only way to do that is to modify the data source. So in this case, you need to go back to design tab and make sure first of all to select the chart, because if you don't select it, none of those tabs will appear to you. So if you click on the design tab, you will see the select data button. If you click on it, the dialog box will pop up. And in this case here, you only have in your chart the sales region. We need to update that. Also, if the updating is not only including adding, but also can entail removing. In this case, we are going. This example is about adding, but it's the same procedure if you want to remove any of the data series. If I click on the add button, the adding is very easy. You don't need to input these values or type them. You just need to select the ranges. So if you click on add, this dialog box will ask about the series name. In this case, the series name, you just need to hit or to click by the mouse on the sales region for cell, and this will type it up in that allocated space. For the series value, in this case, you need to delete. Make sure you delete everything inside, and then click and drag the data series starting from the first cell all the way down to the last cell in here, and then release the mouse. After you release the mouse, all the cells that you wanted to include will be immediately written inside that allocated space, and you only need to click OK. After you click OK and then confirm that this is what you want to see in your chart, you click OK, another OK, you see the data is reflected in the chart itself, and you can make sure that there is one more column added in each month with different color, and this is how it appears in the legend sales region 4. So this is basically it in this activity. Thank you very much for watching this video.